Let's fold this 30 unit star bed dodecahedron. We will need a square sheet. Fold it into a square base and squash fold all the flaps here. We want to fold this one along the edge here and reverse it. Same with the back. And reverse. Now flip over and just fold up along the edge. We want to make a diagonal fold that goes to the middle like this. Do it on both sides and open this up. Fold this edge to the line here and unfold this. Do the same for here. Unfold a little and bring this, open up this one and fold back. And we want to fold one flap. Unfold everything. Repeat at the back. Fold this one diagonals. Unfold. Fold this edge to this line here. Unfold and repeat from the other side. Unfold a little, open this up and fold back and fold one flap. Unfold this. Now we want to do a reverse fold. Reverse fold on the second flap into the first hole here. Second flap to the first hole, and while you do that, bring this, fold this inward. And same with the back, reverse fold the second one to the first hole here and fold this inward. Now you see there's a flap here. Fold along this edge and tuck this in. Same with the other side. Tuck this in. You will see that there's a line here. Fold along that line. Same with the back. And unfold this one and fold this edge to this immediate line here. Same with the back. Now we just want to assemble. Reinsert this flap to the pocket like this and repeat. And once you have this one, just insert 3 like this and form a 5. We will have a complete dodecahedron using 30 units.